Hello, hi everyone.
Hi, sir.
Hi, hi Lilith.
Hello, sir.
Basically,
Hello, sir.
guys, will few of people here you have joined. I think few are new. So welcome back everyone. जो भी आप आज new community में जुड़े हो. And today we'll start with very interesting thing. Like most of the people, you are looking for job and you are trying to apply for the new roles and switching the company. So the agenda of this session is, first of all, welcome back everyone. And yesterday also, I got one message from Srishti, like she got placed in Wipro. So I'm very happy that I'm contributing my evening timing with all you guys, and I'm sharing my all the learning experience, like whatever I know. So everybody at the end of the session, whatever you are learning, you share in your social media and build with me. Okay, if you are not getting in the session also, you just follow me. You will get the recording classes. आपको recording classes मिलेगा और group description में रहेगा. Maybe मैं group में उतना active नहीं हूँ because I have also some work in the morning. But yes, whatever you are learning in this session, you will get the recorded session. Number one, you will get the next task. You will get the which tools we have learned. Moving next, yesterday we have explored Whisper AI and we have explored Handy AI, we have explored Stitch, GitHub, and basic about what's on Netlify, and also we have built. We got to know about MSP. But don't worry if you haven't got the access of yesterday's session because we are still uploading. So just give me 1 minute. And one more thing everyone, like a few people was worrying about मैं session join नहीं किया तो क्या मेरे को recordings मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा. So for those I will say that, so for those I will say that don't worry, कोई भी classes किसी भी session से interlink नहीं है. हम हर एक class में जो हमारा ये mission है, like we are discussing about AI tools, you are from coding background, non coding background, हमारा हर एक session fresh होता है. और इस सेशन में हम एक टूल्स को पकड़ते हैं और एक रियल स्टेटमेंट्स एग्जाम्पल को लेकर के हम उससे उसके रिकॉर्डिंग हम प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं, राइट. आज भी हम वही करेंगे. डोंट वरी. Okay, so don't worry. Is there anyone in this meeting that who don't know even the 20% of English, 20% of Hindi? Is there anyone in this meeting? Because yes, I can speak in English, no problem. But I try to speak in Hindi also. Is there anyone who can't understand even though only English? Okay, non Hindi. Okay, ठीक है. No problem. See, who don't know English, do one thing. Few days, just join and learn with me. Because coding में there is nothing particular Hindi and English. You just follow my screen and do you also. In coming days, we'll plan something separate session, like for this one English separate, for Hindi separate. But guys, again coming to the main topic, I'm sharing my screen and what we have done and what is the planning. I'm going to explain you everything. Stay tuned with me. At the end of whoever will learn today, you will be amazed because today we are going to build the how AI is going to be job hunting for you and how AI is going to be really ATS friendly. A lot of we are going to build the compilers. We are also going to build your own tools where you can control command and you can also build a lot of things. So stay tuned with me and just follow that how we are learning here. I hope you all guys are able to see my screen. मेरा स्क्रीन सबको विजिबल है? Can anybody
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see your screen.
learn parallel Hindi in this session also?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Apart from Sarath, is there anybody who don't know Hindi? Even though 5%, is there any person in this session who don't know Hindi? Rohit Pandey. Okay. Is there any another 2%? Because I want to help others also. Okay, it's not about English or Hindi. I want to help others also. So I'll try to speak in mix. Okay, everybody, please follow. This is coding now. So Hindi, English, Telugu, Bangla does not matter. Just understand. Okay. So just 2 minutes. Okay, just 2 minutes. So few of the guys, if you don't know me, like hi, this is Sunny. I run multiple companies and I build with some real factories in Hyderabad, in Saudi Arabia, in UA, in US, UK. and I build a lot of products with the help of AI. Because of that, I started this lesson to help new young entrepreneur also. You also build, you also grow, either jobs, remote jobs, or clients finding freelancing. So this is all about the session. So yesterday we discussed about this whisper, we discussed about handy, you can see recording in the group. Okay, we discussed about stitch, how we can design from stitch. Yeah, here is the stitch. Okay, and also we discuss about Supabase, Versal, MCP. How is that? You can go and check the yesterday video. Okay, no problem. Whoever missed the yesterday session, if you gonna be guys, you gonna use this, you gonna join this 30 days, it will be brilliant. Because in this 30 days I am not going to cover all this front end back end, I'm also going to cover this all entire future ready tech stack, which is the most of big my most of the colleague, my UK and other, all the my teammates, they are using these days these tools now. If you have 10% of coding knowledge also, and you know how to use properly this tool with the help of ChatGPT, Cursor, Anti-Gravity, Claude, a lot of these tools, you can do boom tomorrow in the industry. So stay tuned and learn with me all these things. Couple of tools we have covered in just 2 days. Everybody please go and build and do the assignments, post on your LinkedIn, showcase your journey. If you want to create reels also, start posting, start learning. If you will showcase, then the people, HR managers or some founders will recognize you on LinkedIn. Every day lot of people they are posting. Okay, they are also tagging me. I'm very happy and very super proud on all of you people. You are building. Okay, some of the people's, I got a message like I'm from first year on engineering college. So everybody learn. This session is going to change your entire life. Okay, I'm covering most of the premium resources, and I'm putting here whatever I'm putting yesterday I haven't posted here, and I'm covering here all of the things. So today what we are going to cover today, first thing is I am going to cover for you anti-gravity, but in different way. Okay, anti-gravity I'll explain. And also I'm going to cover today AI Studio, how brilliantly you can build your own vibe coding platform for you. Okay, so we'll close all of this, we'll close Gemini, we'll close this thing, we'll close all this perfume related. And whoever you are building, please post on your group, don't keep any unnecessary spam, otherwise I'll throw you from the group. Whoever is building something, you can post on LinkedIn, you can post anywhere. Okay, I'll cut down this thing also. And this is the AI Studio. And also, so guys, as I told you, first of all, what we will do, so we'll explore this AI Studio, and we'll explain you how you can save your lot of money every month. Why you should not pay $20 per month to any vibe coding platforms. You know that Lovable, you know that Cursor, you know that lot of things are there. Everybody know? Is there anybody know or don't know about Cursor? Can you message in the group? Does anybody know about Cursor? Comment yes if you know. Atvik, no, I don't know. Lilith, you are brilliant, Lilith. Okay. Is there anybody know Lovable, Bolt, Replit? Replit is Replit. So what we will do here, see, these are the all platforms. Generally, what will happen? They will ask every month to us, $80, $18, $90, and they will give some credits. Okay, credits will be like how we are giving. Okay, somebody saying I know Lovable. Okay, no problem. So what we will do, you know that a lot of people know the coding, lot of people have idea. हमारे पास idea है, right? But we want to execute. हमको execute करने के लिए market में fit है कि नहीं है, उसके लिए हम एक छोटा सा MVP बनाते हैं, correct? Then what we are doing, we are launching in the market, or we are showcasing in resume how we have built this thing. Whenever somebody is taking our interview, और जब हमारा कोई interview ले रहा है, तो हमको access करता है कि like this product has capability or not, or how is the brain of these people. Based on that, they are hiring us, right? So here, what I can do, I can remove this thing because I think it is taking, yeah. Just give me 1 minute. Sir, VS Code we haven't built one, sir. Okay. So first thing, that what we gonna be do here, we will build our own system with the help of AI Studio and AI Code Studio. I hope everybody's screen is visible. Google AI, yeah, Google AI Studio. So what we will do here, yeah. So from here, what we can do here, suppose that we are using this platform, correct? So everybody is wasting their money on the market now, just doing vibe coding and giving prompts here. Okay, Replit is doing back and front end. So I'm going to show you how quickly you can build for yourself compiler. Number one thing, how anybody without paying unlimited, how you can use your things, how you can use your multiple Gmail ID to generate your Gemini AI tokens. Okay, this thing you never gonna be learn on any tutorial or any video. So the first principle is everybody go to AI Studio and google.com. Okay, and here there is a apps, new apps. You click here. Are you able to go here? I will send the link in chat. Okay, so I have sent. So this has been given by this has been given by yeah. So first of all, what we will do, we will say here that yeah. So what we will do, we'll say create a lovable style AI website builder where the user can give a prompt and our tool can create a detailed multi-page React website or with the help of source code. So I just want to build a clone of actual how the Lovable work. I don't want to waste money on Lovable or any kind of Y platform. So I just want curated prompt for that. So can you give me? But before going to that, I will take from here and I'll go to the ChatGPT. Okay, because ChatGPT will be really helpful to classify and give the exact summarize of this. And from here, see here. So as you know that already I have given here, like build a lovable style AI website, and here is the goal. What is the goal? Goal, I'm saying that, see, I can give this prompt also. Why I have given, if you join yesterday, so what it will do, I told that ChatGPT will summarize the object, right? Napkin Devin. What is this? What is this, Sarath? You are saying something. Okay. Coming to our main things. From here, whenever you are doing anything, whenever you are building, give your idea to the ChatGPT and copy because it is very curated, right? It is giving the entire things, and also it is giving the tech stack and what they will do. Okay, and what we are trying to build. See here, it is given the completely in very precise way. मतलब हमारा गोल क्या है, हम क्या बना रहे हैं, हमारा responsive. Please don't search lecture until you get the chance. So from here, Lily, please follow along with me. If you are getting any issue, you can message here. If you are not getting, if you are not able to build, then at the end of the session you can rewatch. Okay. So from here, what we will do, as I told that we are planning to build our own compilers, which will save, right? Don't go on the playground in Google Studio. Go to here in new app, and you just paste it over here. And if you will see here, uh, click on the builds. Okay, there is multiple Android and Google things is there, don't do. So from here you can go. Okay, and once you will give here now, so what it will do, however you are using compilers, however we are using our own Lovable, however we are using build to build any landing page or any kind of, so it will give you the exact things And from here you can also do so I have given the prompt. You can use the prompts. Okay, so if you will see here, so how beautifully it is creating the design. As you can see, guys, I'm not doing anything, I'm not talking anything technically. Okay, and parallelly you can also see here the code. As of now it is creating, so don't worry about coding. I'll explain you. Even though you don't know coding, I will explain you. You are non-coder, coder, any background, I will explain you everything. Till then it is building. Till then we'll go for our next task. What is the next task? Our main agenda. Can anybody message in the group what I told that we'll do? What I told we will build. Can anybody message in the chat? Anybody? Sarat, do you have any idea what I told in the beginning? What we will build? The most people is facing now issue. Does anybody has idea? Does anybody has remember like what we will build apart from this tool? I think nobody is remembering. Okay, so it is building. So we'll go for our the next step. Okay, the meanwhile we'll go here, and our next step will be also you know we'll say that I want to build AI powered some sort of resume ATS generator which will give me the score. You can call it any name like Resume AI Pro, and use tech stack like React.js and any tech stack. I don't know much more about coding. Use anything responsive it should be, but the goal should be create a professional ATS friendly resume builder that help user to generate and optimize resume based on the job description whenever somebody is applying jobs. So what I want, the resume should be updated according to the job. Okay, so give me the entire sort of prompts. I want integrity to build this entire system, and give me the idea what could be the things which will be the better section in the resume, like landing page, okay, and scores, and the dashboard, and what could be the other potential things which will be helpful to summarize and building all of the skills, experience, education, projects, certificates, language. And you take the responsibility whatever is the important to build this entire projects. You research and give me the idea how can I build this entire fulfillment requirement. Okay, now see, I'm not doing coding, I'm using Whisper AI. I think, is there anybody who is using Whisper AI in today's session? Is there anybody using Whisper? Is there anybody who is using Whisper? Guys, could you please respond? Is there anyone who is using Whisper? Okay. Okay, so you can, if somebody is not using Whisper, you can use this thing. It is very good. You no need to type Whisper Flow. So this is the website. I already have explained. Okay, like however, I'm not coding, I'm not writing anything. You can use this thing. It is the very powerful things. But yes, 2000 word limit is there per week. You can change your email ID also. Just you download. It is very simple. And this is not promotion video any kind of. I'm just giving the idea. And if this limit is crossing, so you can also use this thing, handy computer. So this is also one of the powerful things you can set up for Windows, Mac, Linux, or anything. And it is very open source. Okay, so yesterday I have explained. So you no need to generally type. Suppose that if I'm going ChatGPT now, so I no need to type. I will just speak. Will set up any function की. आप कोई भी function की setup कर सकते हो, और आपका laptop में आपको type भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. My most of the time is saving because of this thing. Okay, so yeah, we'll hit this enter, and till then this will work. And हम check करेंगे like how is our work progress. As you can see, all the source code is generating. Okay, and you can see here it is creating. And what about the code base? Okay, so as you can see, we are also getting our code base this side. So the plan here is we want to build our own platforms where front end, okay, we can design on our control. We no need to pay $20, okay, $90 per month. AI Studio is the very good, uh, means Google gives AI Studio for browser, and also for native desktop you can use anti-gravity. So next I'm also going to talk about this anti-gravity Google. So you guys can download and you can also explore this tool. This is the native desktop based application. This is the very powerful tools by Google. You can download, simply click. It is very easy. You can download and follow along with me. Okay, so it is still building. Till then we'll go to our ChatGPT, right? Okay. So if you will see on the ChatGPT, now we are going to use anti-gravity. We'll show you also how to build the resume. Are you guys, anybody following me? Anybody? Aditya? Anybody? Sarath? Is there anyone who is building with me? Nice. Comment in the chat if somebody is building. Don't raise your hand. Which prompt do you want? Navya Durga. Navya Sri Durga. Which prompt do you want? ATS resume generator. Message in the chat. Okay, I have sent you this prompt also, so you can go. Okay, so guys, if you will see here, resume builder prompt, right? I have sent you now. ChatGPT, yes, resume. Okay, so if you will see here, Roshan, are you following me? Hi, Roshan sir. I think building but real estate listing app, not lovable type. Building but realistic listing app. Okay, like Parthan, right? Ayaz Parthan. You can build anything. The idea here is I'm trying to showcase that how to use the better way and how to save your token. You can build, and real estate. You can build. I don't understand, भैया. आदित्य क्या समझ में नहीं आता है? What you can't understand? Okay, so coming to here, if you will see here, मैंने अपना product का requirement इसको बोला, जो भी मेरे दिमाग में था. I don't know properly. मैं कुछ भी प्री प्लान नहीं किया. आई जस्ट गेव हियर समथिंग इज रनिंग इन माय माइंड. मैं जॉब के लिए एक प्रोडक्ट बनाना चाहता हूँ जहाँ की आई कैन अप्लाई जॉब्स, बट एआई विल गिव मी द करेक्शन. एआई विल बिल्ड दैट a system where this is the phase one. Okay, phase one, what I'm doing, I'm building a system where AI will give the clarification. Okay, what is the clarification? Clarification will come from segment. Okay, segment. Next will be the AI job hunting plus applying with the help of other platforms. So these two things, I would say that everybody you should build for yourself. Okay, don't use Naukri paid version or anything or any kind of. If really you are looking for jobs now and you want to hit more, I think some spelling will be wrong. So don't worry about my English spelling. Just understand the sense and what I'm trying to say. So if anybody you are applying for the jobs, if you want to sell this product, if any kind of vision you want to build your ventures, so this gonna be changed. Aditya, are you saying anything? Otherwise, could you please mute yourself? So this. Sorry, Aditya. I can't. इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम अच्छा, इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम होता है. आदित्य, आप एक काम कर सकते हो, लाइक अभी के लिए इसको सुनो. हम एक काम करेंगे, सेपरेट हिंदी के लिए कुछ और भी ऑडियंस हैं जो कि मतलब सीखना चाहते हैं, बट मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश बैलेंस कर रहा हूँ ताकि सबको समझ में आए. बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द कुछ है जो कि जिनको कि हिंदी नहीं आता है, बट या आई विल स्पीक. ओके, मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों. ठीक है.
Sir,
बट
Lilith here.
हेलो.
Yeah, sir, Lilith here. I just
Yeah, Lilith.
Sir, you're building apps from the scratch, right?
Right, right.
Sir, just imagine if I build an app previously and it has to completed. That was incompleted. So, is there any AI tool that might help to complete the entire project?
Yes, we'll discuss. The thing is, see, ChatGPT and Claude is the one of the powerful things where we can define the scope. That is the next we are going to discuss here. and it will help us the end-to-end flow, even though we don't know coding, but obviously we need coding. I'm just focusing that at MVP level. If I have any idea, I want to build this thing, I want to sell in market. At MVP level, it's gonna be help us back and front end authentication, okay, using clerk or using Firebase or whatever requirement is there now. So with the help of ChatGPT, with the help of Cursor, Integrity, so many tools are there. You just please follow Lilith, okay, and coming days you will be able to build the complete full stack system. Okay, you no need to pay and you no need to use any paid system. Okay,
Okay.
but yeah, please follow if you will follow, because I'm not sure whether you joined previously session or not, but yeah, that is our main target of this session is everybody, guys, you are able to build your own product, whatever vision, real estate, medical, जो भी आपको बनाना है, automation. If you want to sell this thing or if you want to list out in your resume, all these AI or future AI is ready. Whatever is my vision now, this gonna be help the entire young generation. You will use all these powerful tools, whether anti-gravity, ChatGPT, Cursor, okay, whatever I'm using on my daily life productivity, na Rock, Firebase, Stitch, Bubble, I'm going to teach everything. Apart from that, I'm also going to teach this principle. That one is the front end and one is the back end with the help of Django. And yeah, Lilith, please follow along with me, because we have very limited time, so we'll try to teach, and also everybody has work, so please dedicate and focus on that. Okay, guys. So as you can see here, guys, like I will come to our main points. Please listen here. So I have built our own website generator template. The template is it is asking that give something and I will build for you what theme, what template, what you want to build. Okay, but before that, I'm going to showcase the code also. I want to ask everybody, are you understanding what I'm trying to speak? Everyone, could you please respond? जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, whatever I'm trying to speak, are you getting the points? What I'm doing, what I'm trying to showcase today, what we discuss, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ गूगल मीटिंग में, मैं क्या आज बनाने का प्लान है, what we are going. Okay, everybody, are you listening me? Everybody, are you following me? Everybody, are you building? If yes, then everybody please showcase in the social media. Okay, एंड आदित्य, आपको यदि समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, प्लीज फॉलो अलोंग विद मी, बिकॉज मैं हिंदी के लिए डेडिकेट कुछ मैं करूंगा, फॉर श्योर आई विल डू. और अभी जो हमारा ये जो सेशन हो रहा है, इसमें कुछ पीपल्स हैं, लाइक फ्यू कुछ स्टूडेंट है जिनको कि हिंदी नहीं आ रहा है, दे आर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड ऑफ द इंडिया, एंड हमारे साउथ इंडिया से भी है, हमारे नॉर्थ इंडिया से भी है. तो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, कोडिंग में यदि आप हो तो थोड़ा बहुत आप इंग्लिश सीखो. ओके, कुछ बुक्स वगैरह कुछ भी हो गया, बट इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी विल नॉट क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. आपको हिंदी आता है, इंग्लिश आता है, कोडिंग में आपको थोड़ा बहुत इंस्ट्रक्शन भी आप दे रहे हो ना, थोड़ा बहुत इंग्लिश आना चाहिए. ओके, so start learning, Aditya, and dedicate. I will create separate batch for them also. Okay, but I would say please join, please learn every day, don't lose the opportunity, because it is completely sharing my experience. Okay, so yeah. So what we have built, we are building our own AI vibe coding platforms, and here is the code base. If you will see, they have created our own things. I'll show you on local also, but before going to that, I'll give here some prompt so that you can see how it gonna be helpful for you, and I'll show you. So suppose that this is our lovable or replit. What do you want? Replit or lovable? Replit. I hope everybody, you all are enjoying, right? So see, this is the chat history, correct? Replit, anybody use Replit? I think yes. So Replit में क्या होता है, like we have a search option, और हमारा ये प्लेटफॉर्म रहता है, कुछ कुछ बोलते हैं व्हाट यू आर बिल्डिंग. सो उसी तरह से हमने ये भी बनाया है. हम यहाँ पे कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट देने वाले हैं, जैसे ही whenever we will give here the prompt ना, so it will design for us the website. Okay, so this is for website. I told website. You can also do for a mobile app. Mobile app, it will be little bit complex. Android. Aditya, could you please mute yourself? मैंने इसमें website बनाया है. Okay, nice. Aditya, please mute yourself. So here I'm going to give the prompt. Okay, we have created a project based on that, okay, create a SaaS. I think it is not working. We have created a project based on that, create a SaaS landing page, create any landing page, but it should be modern, dark theme, means toggle like light and dark, and it should also give some kind of glass morphism effect. It should follow Apple principle. It should also follow some minimalistic aesthetic font. Okay, so build some and better with better responsive grid. Okay, and with the help of React and Tailwind, I want to build some wedding website for that. So again, going here, what I'll do, I'll follow the same principle. Already, I don't want to burn much more token, something like that. I'll go here and I'll paste this thing. I'll say, make it precise prompt. Ardhmainda, Sarath, are you getting what I'm trying to do? Everybody, are you getting? I'm not giving direct prompt to any clouds, any tools. I'm just going and I will copy this thing. I will go to our platforms and I will paste it over here. So this is our main prompt. Okay, got it, Sunny, thanks. So from here we'll go and we'll paste over here. Okay, so if you will see here, so जो मैं normal बोल रहा था, whatever I was speaking normal, now this is our own compiler. We no need to pay $20. Okay, we no need to pay $90. And what we will do here, we'll remove some extra things and we'll hit here generate a full website. Assume, listen me carefully. This is our own compiler. I have created our own Lovable. I have created our own Replit, Lovable, Bolt, V0, whatever you guys gonna be call this thing, and it's gonna be generate complete React. Okay, you can craft this thing later after this session. You build something different, but I'm reminding you how it is easy to build anything with the help of AI in 2026. If something is there, just copy. See, I'm getting some issue, right? So if I'm getting this thing, I will copy this thing and I will say here prompt to ChatGPT. Do something, yaar. You are becoming lazy. Okay, I have sent you. Enjoy. Where I was, yeah. So guys, you will see here completely it has generated for us. Now it is giving one error. I will tell you why it is giving the error. The error reason is we haven't set our things, which is the very crucial. That is our that is our API keys. What is the API key? API key, like, see, this entire code base is for this landing page. Okay, let's do one thing. We'll not discuss about this thing. First of all, understand this thing. With the help of AI Studio, I have built this compiler. Okay, and here so many things is there. So for those compiler, here we have the source code. Okay, app.js. Even though you don't know coding, don't worry. Don't worry. I will explain you everything in coming days. This is the routing. Routing मतलब जहाँ पे हमारा state रहता है. This is the API. Okay, this is the all our code base and components and packages. And this is the package. Package मतलब जहाँ पे कि सारे library where all the Lucid, Motion, React, and so yeah, coming to our main thing. So here all of the things will be there, guys. Don't worry about this thing. We can also set up in our local. If we want this compiler on our local, what we can do, either we can click here or either we can download as a zip. Okay, we can download zip. See, it is downloading on my local. This is my own compiler, no copyright. We can take patent on that. We can register a company based on that. But before going to that, what we have to do in this entire process, okay, if you will check everything now, everything is the same. There is nothing much more. But here there is a catch. Okay, that is the Gemini key. We need to give the Gemini key. So now how this will work? So basically we have our own open source models LLM based on our own account, right? So what we have to do here, we need to go here on Coding Studio, and from here so there is a button, this one. Okay, from here we can generate this thing, and from here we can get the key. I think already I've explained yesterday. Okay, So if you will see here, I have generated the keys. Now this key you can give it over here, so that what will happen? Okay, what will happen? Save karo isko. Now what will happen? Saving. It is taking time, but I would say that go and local, do and local better. It will be helpful. So if you will see here, I have already downloaded. I have already downloaded anti-gravity. So I'll show you how you can do on local. So this is the guys anti-gravity, and you can use on your local system. So if anything you want to build, see here there is an option whether you want to go with ID. If you want to go with ID, so you can go with the ID. Okay. So what I will do, don't save, open ID. ID will be, you will understand better. Okay. So here click on add folder to workspace. So today I have built a compiler. So that compiler is here. Okay. So add in your workspace. Okay. So if you will see, this is the workspace. Okay. Now what we will do, we will take anything and we'll say to our AI, even though we can hit run something, we'll say to our AI, run this project. See, run this project. That's it. I'm not doing npm run dev, npm run build, nothing. We'll give the reference. We'll give the reference so that it will understand the structure, and it will get to know, okay, where is the source and what is the package.json and what is the components. It will understand our all the flow. Based on that, our anti-gravity will be considered as a coder. Give me just 1 minute. मेरा लैपटॉप बंद हो जाएगा. Who is enjoying today? Who is building with me? Message karo. Comment who is building with me. Yeah. Okay. So what we have to do? We need to change here the Gemini key, as I already told, because locally our system will work very fastly, as I can save here. Now hit here. Run these projects. Okay, I told, leave it. Come to our main topics. Okay. Here I think it is not saving. Leave this one. So come to our preview. Okay, we'll try once again. Build a minimalistic super. Whoever is building with me, I appreciate. So build a minimalistic wedding landing page. Color, minimalistic color, wedding landing page. Okay, now I will hit this thing. We'll see this time whether it is working for us or not. Meanwhile, workspace. Okay, failed to generate a website schema. What is the error? Check from here. Okay, and go to the bottom, see what is the errors, and give those error to the AI, and AI is going to help for you to fix all this issue. Okay, in the live session we will fix everything, and in the live session we gonna be help. So while I'm building with the help of this, I'm getting this issue. Could you please fix for me this issue? So see, as a coder, I can fix this issue. I know the issue is like it is going high error, but what I'm trying to show you, I'm trying to show you how you can fix issue by yourself. Just even though you're much more. The first problem in programming is we'll get the error. See, and we need to understand the error. As a doctor, how doctor will do surgery. If they don't know what is the problem, they can't do. But as a coder, I can fix within 1 minute. I will go and I will change the model. Okay, then this will work. But what it is saying, this model is currently experiencing high demand spikes in usually temporary. Let's try again. Okay, status unavailable. So from here, if we will give here, see what it will give. It will analyze. See how AI is, brilliant. It will analyze and it will give us the same things. Okay. Meanwhile, go and check it here how it is working. See here now, this our anti-gravity. It is asking to allow. Okay, and we'll say that submit. Will give all the permission, whatever they want permission. Will give the all permission so that they can do our job better. Okay, again it is asking npm run dev. Npm run dev is whatever we have coded, it will hit and it will do work for us. Okay, as you can see here, it is going the giving the all steps, okay, one by one. Okay, and it will run on 3000 port. Whatever coding is there now, guys, in coming day, if you know really a root level of coding now, it's gonna be help a lot. Don't worrying about coding jobs. AI is booming this thing. If you know the AI, within second you can build the system. And but yes, you have to understand how the things is working behind. If you don't know the completely React.js, Next.js, today I know this thing because last 10 year I'm doing the same thing. Okay, so it will gonna be very helpful for everybody. Okay, see here it is asking to accept, but make sure you read then only accept. I know all of these things, just I'm trying to guide you how you can better way do and build this thing. So if you will see that the AI is saying that please go and check on these platforms. Okay, please go and check on these platforms. It is giving me, if I want to ask preview or anything, okay, it will give us preview also. But for to save our time, what I will go and copy and I will save on the system. Okay, I will go and save on the system, and here also our system is wrong. So see, can you see, guys? Can you see here? This is the our local compiler which I have developed with the help of AI, Google AI Studio, and it is running now on my local compiler. Are you able to see, guys? Are you able to see how it is easy, how I have built our own compiler, and how it gonna be helpful for me, how I will give my own prompts, and it will do the same replit. But we need to set up our own super base. We need to set up our own backend. In coming days I'll guide you, but this is the kind of compiler, okay, which we have created. Vibe code compilers. We no need to go and pay here. What we need to do, whenever we are doing, whenever we are generating anything, just change our token, just change our email ID. If you will see in our laptop, we have multiple email ID. From every email ID you can go and you can generate hundreds of hundreds of token. I should close this thing. So hundreds of token you can generate, and you can use this thing, and you can give here the prompts like something what you can give. Build one simple landing page for me. It should be multiple routing page. So I given here, okay, launch website. Now it is working for us, and believe me, it will take within 1 minute. I'm not using any Lovable. I'm not using anything. It will understand from this code base. This is the main app, as I already told you. This is the detail how the landing page is working, and this is the all instruction. You don't worry about coding, just high level what I'm trying to say. We have built our own platforms. This is the component, this is the node modules. Okay, don't worry about anything. Okay, this is the folder structure and all git ignore, everything will teach you later. But the agenda is, see here, so it is taking from all the resources, but it is kind of taking a prompts, and based on this models, which is the Gemini API, it is generating for us the work within a second. It will take few more minutes. Okay, if you will see here, I told that Lovable compiler. All right, so it will generate and it will showcase that what you want, and it is also giving something default template. Is it making sense? So it is saying model is currently experiencing spike is demand and user template. So same thing. I think I should have to change, and I should have to figure out here if it will work. Let me see. Maybe I'm using that. Okay, otherwise what we can do, we can downgrade this model. I got this error on my UI. Now what you do, you copy this error and give to here, it will downgrade. Fix this issue. Okay, so it will understand and it will downgrade. See here, it will ask us to downgrade the what we call, it will ask us to downgrade the AI models, whatever model we are using. Okay, it will ask us to as you can see here, it is downloading the models. It will ask us to downgrade all those things. Meanwhile, from here also we can go for our job. Yes, meanwhile we can also go here. And one more interesting thing, suppose that if you are using your anti-gravity, so from here you can also understand how much token has been expired, model quota, because this anti-gravity is not free. As you can see here, now weekly limit is 72%. Are you getting my points? Means in 6 days, 22 hours, I have this much of capacity. Okay. And this much things I can use. After this thing, either I have to log out, I can log out from here. If it will expire, nothing from here we can log out, and we can also come here, we can again rejoin this thing. So in this way, what will happen now, we will not pay to anyone, no cursor, no anti-gravity, nothing, but we need to play smartly. Okay, if you are not smart, if you are not doing this smartly, so you have to, again you will pay cursor, anti-gravity. So most of the my tools I will use a jump here and there. So this is the principle. And again download, I think it will take accept all. I told accept all, it will do all those things. Okay, so moving our own task. So the first task was creating the main AI resume, and from here I will. So as you can see, guys, so this is the our own Node.js backend front end, it given for us. Meanwhile it is running, let him do. This is the our own vibe coding compile. So what I will ask here, give me the very precise prompts which I want to use for my own anti-gravity. Give me the just